Welcome back to another L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted look. This is look number 2, and this is Sweet Spell from the back of the package. So if you're interested in how to achieve this Sweet Spell look, please continue to watch. We're going to start by priming our eyelids, and then we're going to be using the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips Nude. This is like a shimmery, like eyeliner, eyeshadow base kind of product, and it's just something so that beautiful shimmery shade can have something to stick to. Of course, we're using the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted palette, and we're doing the first look on the back of the package, and it's called Sweet Spell. This is the most simple, basic one. We're going to use shade number 5. Like I stated in the other videos, we're going to label them as numbers because they are labeled on the back of the package in numbers. Will be easier to follow, I believe. And we're going to apply that on our eyelid, patting and sweeping motion. And now we're using shade number 9. It's a beautiful shade. And we're going to pop this in our outer corner and crease area. I'm going to bring that in there, and this is the most basic, simple look on the back of the packaging, but it's so beautiful and easy to achieve, you guys. And the best part about this look is you can pair it with any lip because it's so like basic, it's so easy. But this is definitely one of my favorite looks on the back, and I just keep applying that. And now we're going to use shade number 1 as our highlight. Beautiful matte kind of white shade. And did I mention this palette smells like peaches? It's amazing. It's my first scented makeup, so I'm pretty excited for it in the way of eyeshadows. And we're gonna take shade number 3, which is not labeled in this look on the back, but we're popping that shade in the inner corner. I just wanted to do this personally for the pop in the inner corner. That's completely optional. We're wiping away all the fallout. We're going to use the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tightline our upper waterline. And we're going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible to do a very thin line of eyeliner. We're using the Jordana 24-hour pencil in Continious Almond. I love this for the waterline. It's amazing. You guys need to try it. We're using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I love the way this mascara makes my lashes look, and I will definitely be repurchasing this in the future. Because this looks so simple, I decided to share with you guys the blush bronzer thing I've been doing lately. And I've been using the AoA Studios Stardust Bronzer from their AoA Lab line, and I use that as a blush and bronzer in one, and it's so beautiful. And I'm using the LaColors Candlelight highlighting trio, and I'm using the first shade to highlight with. So beautiful. And that's the complete final finished look. Now the lipstick that I'm using is 875 from Maybelline and Wild Rose. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and I love the pop of color. It's beautiful. And all these shades, because they're like peachy, corally related, and they have that tint to them, make my green eyes look crazy green. I love this palette. I hope you guys are enjoying this little mini series, and let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted looks.